WhatsApp has not making money despite its popularity and widespread usage. WhatsApp has officially given up on making money. The messaging app has long been ad-free and has pledged to remain so, even after being acquired by Facebook. This decision stems from a commitment to the app's founding principles of privacy and security. WhatsApp's co-founders have been vocal about their aversion to incorporating advertising into the platform. Citing concerns about user experience and data privacy, this shift away from traditional advertising models sets WhatsApp apart from its competitors, many of whom rely on advertising as a primary source of revenue. The move also reflects a broader trend of companies prioritizing user privacy and trust in the wake of numerous data scandals. While the decision may limit WhatsApp's potential for immediate profit, it reinforces the app's commitment to serving its users above all else. As messaging apps continue to play a central role in daily communication, WhatsApp's focus on privacy and security has positioned it as a unique player in the tech industry. WhatsApp is one of the most used ubiquitous messaging platforms in the world with nearly 3 billion monthly active users. But did you know that despite this massive user count, WhatsApp doesn't actually make all that much money? In fact, WhatsApp is only now crossing the billion-dollar mark in terms of revenue. The main reason for this is that Meta simply has no straightforward way of monetizing WhatsApp. And given that its reputation has been shaky over the past couple of years regarding data intrusion and privacy concerns, Meta has preferred to play it safe when it comes to WhatsApp monetization. Instead of rolling out some sort of large-scale monetization effort, Meta has looked to alternative revenue streams such as business accounts and transactions. This has provided Meta with a decent amount of revenue, but nothing groundbreaking. It may be a fine strategy over the long term,